I do something silly like that, you laugh hysterically.
Oh, what a beautiful day! The insects are so happy. Oh, look at that! Oh, there's a lot of pine needles in the yard. There, but the weather is so nice right now. No more storms, guys. No more storms. The insects are so happy. Wow, I love the weather. No damage at all. The weather. Last night there's a lot of rain and wind, but the weather is so wonderful. Oh wow, there's flooding a little bit in there, but that's not that much because this one is a little bit higher. Wow, we have some flood here. The mosquitoes is going to stay there, right? How can we drain that one?
I think this is all part of the
What?
probably that wetland.
Oh, it's a wetland over there?
I'm pretty sure.
Oh my gosh. You know, may floods. Little flooding. But no more hurricane. Yay, it's just one night. The hurricane stayed here in our area for just one night, guys. And when we woke up in the morning, everything is fine. It's sunny again, beautiful weather. Wow. And I love the breeze. So peaceful. Hi, loves. Oh, we have a light here outside. My flowers are still there. Hubby is trying to. Oh, there are some kind of floods in here too. Some water. Hey, it's wet, Hubs. So we are going out, guys. We're going to have breakfast. Celebrate the beautiful weather. I'm going to bring them out later and put them back wherever they needed to be.
All the way.
I think it because the storm is not that really strong, right?
Oh, it was strong.
And praise God, we don't have any
ton of
damage. Yeah, last night. But it's a really good thing we don't have any damage. And we're not able to use our generator. We don't lose power. We lost it like just a few minutes and it will come back. Maybe just like 6 times like that. But we don't have any kind of damage. We just have a little bit of flooding, but that is fine. It doesn't get inside the garage. So it's so great. What a beautiful day after the storm, right?
Beautiful day.
There's people there are cleaning the drainage. Their drainage. Because there's a lot of drainage in the road, in the streets. Also yesterday, Charles is going to stop every drainage he saw and he's like, can you please clean the drainage? I was like,
I offered to clean it too.
Yeah, but I
She
mean,
said you would do it.
yeah. So I was like, shh, shh. I'm removing it with my hand because we went from, I think, we went from the groceries, I think, yesterday to check the grocery, but they're all closed. We didn't bring any kind of break.
Purple onion or Matthew's pancake toast?
Well, the gate,
What?
the smashed out.
Oh. Yeah.
What they call that?
Yeah. The arm looks like.
Yeah. It's up to you, sweetheart, wherever you want.
Wherever you want to go.
Purple omelette is fine. Purple onion. The gate of our development is all smashed out of the rain.
The wind.
Oh, yeah, the wind.
The wind ripped it out.
Mellow mushroom.
Pizza.
What's pizza? So cute. I forgot to bring your sugar. I think we left it in the other restaurants the other time. Huh? That's fine.
It doesn't make any difference whether it's fine or not. It is.
And hot stocks. Windy. We just finished our breakfast, guys. Before you cut them, you will smell them. That's why it happens. Sometimes it's already bad. Are you eating chocolate?
No.
What are you eating? Pistachio? Excuse me. I hope this one is sweet. Look at this. It's very round. It's really round. I really love cantaloupe. Not my favorite fruit though. Yeah, it's already ripe, but they don't smell like. You wanna taste it, Hubs?
That knife is awfully big to be using.
It's okay. I want big. Looks like it's not that really ripe yet. There's still a lot of greens. Is it sweet? They're not ripe yet. Hmm?
No.
But look on them, oh, it's like they're getting bad, oh.
Yeah.
Because they pick them up very young.
Yeah, they pick them too green.
Mm-hmm. Masarap yung cantaloupe, guys. Matabang siya and then matabang siya at hindi pa masyadong hinog pero parang lamog na siya. Siguro kasi nervous nila ng bata pa. So wala nang storm today. Andito tayo sa garage. Put all of this back. And guys, I'm planning to cut this one and then plant them para dumami sila. Then babalik ko na din to sa backyard to eh. Itong upuan na to. Ay, 4 pala to. Medyo hindi ko alam kung kaya ko to. Medyo mabigat sila. And ayan, pati yung hose namin, dinala namin dito. Lalagay ko siya dun sa kabilang part. Hindi ko na siya ibabalik dito sa likod. Kasi, hindi naman masyadong ano yan dyan. Hindi kailangan, pag naglinis ako ng car, dapat manggagaling siya dito para mas malapit. Ayan, ang araw na. Hala, we forgot to turn off yung light dito sa front yard. Anong oras na? Ano yan? Ang daming mga ano. I need to clean this one as well. Oh. Ang daming mga pine needles. Wawalisin ko sila. Ang dami din dito. Ayan. Ayan, sobrang dami. Dami sa kalsada. Ang daming pine needles. May mga helicopter pa dun. May mga helicopter nag-iikot, nagtitingin kung mayroong mga damage or what. Ayan. Wala naman masyadong damage dito sa amin. Oops. I am frying eggplant instead, guys, because my okra is already bad. So I just slice my big eggplant and just fry them, and then I'm going to fry a dilis as well later after I fry this one. And gagawa ko ng salsawan, kamatis, sibuyas, and I think baka lalagyan ko siya ng bagoong, guys, na isda. Ala, bilis masunog ng ano ko. So, sarap na naman ang kain natin. And meron na ako ditong rice. I just want to make sure na nakapagsaing ako ng rice kasi most of the time kakain na lang ako, wala pala akong rice.